TraderWay also offers an AI agent tool that's very, very helpful. Let me show you how to use it. So in the AI agent tab here, it's split in two sections, the assistant and the agent part. If you go to Ask Assistant, basically it's your showroom assistant. You could ask it about anything or any of these questions. Like for example, what is the last invoice I created? You would ask it that question and it would show you the answer for that question. And you have plenty of questions that you could ask. Next, the agents. Here, what you could do is create an agent and you would give it a type. Like maybe you want a new inquiry welcome, a quiet lead win back. You have different types and you would give it an identity and select the audience for it, the message and safety and how often they should message people or send them emails, and you would click on Save AI Agent and it would work. Okay, so these are the agents, and if you go back to agents again, you'll see all of your active agents and you could edit them or monitor them. Next is drafts. If you have any drafts saved, they would show up here. And lastly, the history. A very, very useful tool from TraderWay.